That thing is dangerous. He can kill a lion easily. So you have to think twice about it. And for 3 lions to take this down, because that young male, he will help a little bit, but he's not that strong as a big male would be.
Right.
The only way you'll find it if you go there and you go look at the neck.
Right.
But if you look at the way its head is lying on the ground,
Yeah.
it's not usually where we find, because if they kill it, remember they pin it down. So the skull, the boss will be in the dirt. So that one they probably found dead. It's the same as if you see a domestic cat catching a mice.
Right.
They may play with that dead mice for a long time. It's exactly the same.
Right.
It's like little hunting skills. Play, remember, play is lifetime skills they're busy learning.
Right.
So that's exactly what it is. And the thing is, this buffalo is not fighting back.
Yeah.
Blondie, but the brother of that guy. Somewhere there. But he does a lot of patrols and all that stuff. So he walks far at night and all of it. Mr. Grumpy. He almost ate Lebo like 4 days ago.
Oh my gosh, Lebo.
Yeah, Blondie. Oh no, super close, but he was growling at him.
Oh, gee.
He was walking on a game path like what we did yesterday with the other male.
Yeah.
Let him walk past us.
Yeah.
And he was coming on game path and I stopped and he got like 50 meters away and he urinated and all of a sudden he growled and was whisking his tail towards him.
Oh my goodness.
They've got a lot. These guys, my job's easy this afternoon.
Yeah.
Where they'll be.
Yeah.
Straight here. Stand by one for Ocker.
Yeah, stand by, Ocker.
Yeah, just give me another 5 and then I'm